Okay, so you are here to check the first part of question number 1. Excellent. As Stephanie drove a constant speed, from her apartment to her friend's house, which is 20 miles away. Oh, that's a distance. Okay, it took her 45 minutes. Oh, that's time to reach her destination. What fraction represents her constant speed? Okay, well, we know constant speed is distance over time. So I need to pick out what the distance was and what the time was, and if I need to, I can maybe even simplify it. Okay, the distance was 20 miles. The time was 45 minutes. Can I simplify this? Yes, we can. 5 goes into 20 and 5 goes into 45. This is the only time you can use this symbol. Okay? It goes into 20 4 times and it goes into 45 9 times. Okay? So this is our constant speed. Okay? Pause this video and I want you to do this part right here. Okay. Hopefully you paused the video and you actually did that part. Okay? What fraction represents constant speed c if it takes her x minutes to get halfway to her friend's house? Well, let's see. X minutes means we don't know the minutes. Don't know time. But then it says halfway to her friend's house. How far away is her friend's house again? Her friend's house is 20 miles away. So half of 20. What's half of 20? That's 10. Okay? What do we not know? We don't know the time. Well, I know constant speed is distance over time. So here, since I don't know the time, we're going to put the x. So this is also constant speed. Okay? Pause the video. Do this next portion. When you're done, come back. Great. I hope you actually paused the video and did that. It says write and solve a proportion. We know a proportion is when we set two equivalent fractions equal to each other, even if they look different, using the fractions from part A and part B. So let's look at the fractions we got from part A. There it is. And from part B. There it is. We're going to set these two equal to each other. So we got 4 over 9 is the same as 10 over x. We're going to solve this. The way we solve this: cross multiplication, then division. So 4 times x is 4x. 10 times 9 is 90. Divide by 4. Okay, you may actually have to divide this. Top in, bottom out. Goes in 2, 8, 1, 0, 2, 8, 2, 0, 5. With a decimal right there. Okay, so how many minutes is it going to take her? X equals 22.5 minutes. $22.5 minutes is how long it's going to take her. Okay, great. What I need you to do right now is I need you to pause the video, do this last part. If you don't know how to do this part, you need to look at the example from problem 2 in the notes. Okay, when you're done, come back and check it. Okay, so it says write a two-variable equation to represent how many miles Stephanie can drive over any time interval. Okay, so two variables. They're talking about y and they're talking about x. Okay, well, we already know x is time. And if we're talking about speed, we're talking about time and distance. So y has to be the distance. And if you remember from the example, we set our y over x equal to our constant speed, which we know is 4 over 9. The next thing we do is cross multiply, solve for y. Okay, so this means we have 9y is equal to 4x. What do I do next? Gotta get that y by itself. Divide by 9 on both sides. Goes away. We get y equals 4 over 9 x. You'll see that our constant speed pops up again, right? Great.